I was trying to control hair fall and tried several medicines, several treatments, regrow the things whatever lost happened in the past. So why not try for it? But I have not got enough result. Then I got fed up. I just left everything. Every single question whatsoever I asked, they had replied me. Nothing to worry about at all, because they are very cooperative, very supportive. Till 4 or 5 days, and after that it got reduces day by day. And after 10 days, I think everything was normal. Hello guys, myself Alok Singh. I was facing hair loss problem since I was pursuing my BTech. I was trying to control hair fall and tried several medicines, several treatments, but finally I realized that there's a permanent solution of hair transplant. So I was surfing on internet. How can I remove my baldness? And I had seen the several reviews of several celebrities just like Daya and Rajpal Yadav and all these things. And I also consulted few of my friends. It's a preliminary stage. It is not so severe for me still, because I have still number of hairs on my head. But if there is a possibility to regrow the things whatever lost happened in the past, so why not try for it? Initially, I had a huge number of hair on my head, but day by day it was keep on shedding. And later on, after final year, I can feel that yes, there is a huge number of shedding in both the lining of my head, and that sometimes it's cause a lack of confidence, because you have everything, but you look good, but only because of hair loss, you feel a lack of confidence. So in this regard, I had visited some hospital as well, and they had given me one medicine. I had applied that name of the medicine is minoxidil oil, but it was not working at all. Means I had applied for more than for 6 months, but I have not got enough result. Then I got fed up. I just left everything, and then I visited here, and now I'm here, and I'm looking all around that people are working here very enthusiastically, and hopefully I will get the desired result from here. And the counselor team has suggested that it might be 3,000 graft I had needed, but I think what I feel that the 2,000 or 2,500 is enough for me. But I need to consult my doctor here, and they will provide me the better solution. Since I am a patient, I don't know how much it will need. Once everything will be done, I will definitely come back and I will discuss with you guys. And stay tuned with this channel and with us. Thank you so much. As in the previous video, I had told you that I hail from Ayodhya and currently working in Amritsar. From the YouTube and some other social media, I got to know about QHT. Then I visited here, and I'm going to share you from my today's experience of my hair transplantation. I was a bit nervous initially, because this is my first time I have ever been in the OT, operation theater. But I will like to inform you that the supporting staff, the doctor, then every other person are very, very supportive, and they had cooperated wonderfully. And I never feel any kind of headache and all these things, that what will happen, how it gonna works and all this. Every single question whatsoever I asked, they had replied me. Right now I'm finally, I can openly say here in the video that I'm content, completely content. There is no doubt left. Only I'm just waiting for my result. as guys are saying that it will take more than 6 months and 6 to 8 months. In the operation theater, I would like to say that before I got to start, everybody was asking, "How are you feeling? What is your experience?" I just say, "This is my first time. I never been in the operation theater." And while doing the operation, while doing the transplantation, in every minute, doctor was keep on asking that whether you are suffering from any kind of pain, anxiety, and all these things. I just say no. Sometime I did this, and I just inform you. Then they provide me local anesthesia at that point, that particular place of my hair. And later on, I realized that at the end there is no pain, only little bit. Since I have some kind of surgery, so I have that kind of feeling, a feeling of awkwardness, not anything else. If you talk about the hygiene was excellent. Every single time they were using the sanitizer, mask, and all these things, and they had given instruction to me as well, because right now my backside hair from my backside has been removed, so there is a kind of wound is there, so might be some bleeding and all these things, but they had given me ample amount of guidelines that if I will adhere those guidelines, then definitely there won't be any issue. Guys, you can see nearby my forehead, the density of hair was very low. So that was the main concern, because it kept on lower down my confidence. My backside hair was perfect, but front hair was forehead hair was not good actually. So because of that, I visited here, and I think near about 3,000 graft has been planted over my head, and there was a little bit pain, but it was natural actually, since it is a surgery, minor surgery, so pain is perfectly natural. So there is no issue in that. If you will visit here, you will do the plantation, then you will find it is quite easy. There is nothing to worry about at all, because they are very cooperative, very supportive, and they are expert actually in their field. Whatever technician was there, they were expert. They know how to deal the patient. I would like to inform you that the QHT session was wonderful. It was very fantastic. I will recommend you that if you are facing the same kind of hair loss problem, please visit QHT. They are very fantastic, and they will definitely satisfy you whatever your desire might be. And thank you for the today. Thank you for the session. And I will meet you in the next video after having my hair back. Thank you. Hello guys, I'm going to discuss you the procedure of surgery and the condition, how I went through and how I feel. I'm going to explain every single thing. Before arrival of QHT center, we had healthy discussion with other guys, as already I had explained in the previous video. They take a sample of our blood and had numerous of tests. I cannot point out how many tests was there in that list actually. One of doctor was suggested that you are qualified for surgery. Then we went on 4th of March, and at that day there was slitting made on the head actually. And in the evening we went to our hotel room, and next day in the morning around 8 a.m. we came here, and it took around 10-hour long surgery. They were removing hair from the donor area and implanting on the bald area, and it took around 10 hours, and it was a little bit hectic actually. I am not saying very very easy process, but it was cumbersome. And but you have to take faith on the technician and doctor and every staff. They are very supportive. They were telling that it will take, since it takes so many hairs needed, so that's why it is a time taking process. In my case it was 2800 graft near about, and it took 10 hours. So that was little bit cumbersome process. And after that we went for the 4 or 5 day rest. Actually, in that period, we felt little bit scars on the backside of donor area, and on the front area of the head we feel swelling as well. So, till 4 or 5 days, and after that it's got reduces day by day, and after 10 days I think everything was normal. The numbness on the transplanted area is remained till date, but it's not so much problematic. And after 10 days the shedding problem is started. As you might have heard that people are very much scared about surgery, that it's a very tough surgery and what will happen, how much pain you will feel. I would like to say that it's just like a skin treatment. No, your only above portion of your skull will be damaged, will be tested by these needles and all these things. It's just like a skin treatment process, not like uh, any major surgery. It's not a major surgery. It's just minute surgery. So you need not to be so much scared about this thing. Just have patience. It's only thing I can say about that. It's a cumbersome, not very tough, not very horrifying. It's just you have to have patience, and you have to have belief. And my technique was QHT technique, which is quite advanced, I think. And little bit pain was there. I'm not denying it, but it was good overall. Overall experience was fine. As I have already told you guys that my transplantation has been done on 4th of March. Today is 4th of April. No, 5th of April. And you can observe clearly that the hair growth is already somewhere, and hair shedding is also same place. I will meet you in the next video after 1 month or more than 1 month. And thank you for watching us. Thank you.
I have been experiencing this hair fall issue for past 4 or 5 years now. Like, I am very satisfied with their results, so that is why I just chose this QHT clinic. I am very low in confidence because of this issue. They have a very sweet gesture also. They provided all kind of stuff if the refreshment was needed, so they provided that also. Try this, it will definitely boost your confidence. Since hello, this is Karan Verma and I am currently 28 years of age, and I have been experiencing this hair fall issue for past 4 or 5 years now, and it is due to, I think, because of my lifestyle for food habits, and also I've been in smoking for 8 to 10 years now. So I think that's the case, and that's the main problem that I've been facing, this hair fall issue. And I came to know about this clinic through YouTube. I have been looking into a lot of videos and a lot of people that they have gone through this hair transplant. Like, I'm very satisfied with their results, so that is why I just chose this QHT clinic. So genetically, I think from my mother's end, they also have this hair fall issue, and I started noticing my hair fall when I was 24 years of age. Currently, I am 28, and I have lost a lot of hair since then, and my hairline have gone a way back than normal. So I just wanted to be as usual, like when I was 22 or 23 years of age. So I never gone through any kind of medication for this hair fall issue. Just a normal hair oil I was using, and I never gone through for any medication. and I decided to go for the hair transplant. This is the first time I've been treating my hair fall issues. This is the first time I am doing it. So I came to know about this QHT clinic through YouTube only, and I have seen a lot of patients on YouTube and their results also. I am very much satisfied with their results. So that is why I just chose QHT will be the best place for me. Okay, so first when I contacted QHT, so first member that I've talked to, she has suggested me somewhere around 3,000 to 3,500 grafts will be implanted, and rather than that, the staff was very cooperative. She provided me all kind of details like how the process will be through, and when I came here, I saw the place very eco-friendly, and the people are very nice over here. They are very cooperative also. About the transplant, I'm a bit nervous, but also quite excited because it will be a new beginning for me. So because of this hair fall issues, I have avoided going out, like going in functions or party. I have avoided doing those things. Also, my friends they have started doing mockery out of me, which I really felt bad. So that's the thing. Like, I am very low in confidence because of this issue, and that is why I just chose to do this hair transplant surgery done. I am quite nervous about the surgery, but also very excited since it will be a new beginning for me. And yeah, I will meet you guys after the surgery is done.
I am done with my surgery part, and around 3,700 grafts have been implanted. And the surgery procedure was very calm and it went very well, since the staff was very good. They are really helpful. They provided all kind of support and services what the patient needs. So, and they have a very sweet gesture also. They provided all kind of stuff if the refreshment was needed, so they provided that also. And the surrounding, the atmosphere was very good. In the beginning I was very nervous, since it was the first time, and as it went through the procedure, I was comfortable with the staff, and the staff also made me very comfortable. So I'm very happy with my surgery, and I'm very happy result that they have provided. I'm very happy with that also. So the precautions that doctors told me to take care is I have to first of all quit smoking, because it will be I cannot get that result which is desired by the doctor and by me. So I have to do that first thing. Secondly, the medications that they have given me, I have to take those medicines on time, and also taking care of my scalp with all those things, the equipments that they have provided. I have to take care of my scalp also. So I would suggest those people who are suffering from this hair loss issue, try this. It will definitely boost your confidence, since this hair is something it speaks your personality. So, and it's also speaks your confidence. So without hesitating, just come here in this clinic, and you will be not disappointed by the staff and by the doctor here in QHT. I'm very happy. So this will be it by my side, and I will be seeing you guys after my first PRP session. Let's see how it goes, like what will be my result after first PRP session. Thanks for QHT.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और ध्यान रहे बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें, जिससे हमारे हर वीडियो का अपडेट आपको समय समय पर मिलता रहेगा।